Traders, August 15, 2018, the market is closed. Going to report on HEME, H-E-M-E. What I'm going to do real quick is just put some trend lines that I currently don't have. They kind of disappeared. So let me show you what this looks like right there. Okay, so that's a trend line, maybe more like this. All right, so this is a trend line right here. It's trading this way after this large drop due to bad news. I'm still trying to figure out why they returned all those shares. It could have been conflict of interest. Not sure yet. Here's support. It's trading sideways, battling this level, almost similar to this pattern. So let's see if it can go higher than just break through that high that we're waiting for. We'll continue watching her moving forward. So that support level, this is the trading range. This is the range that she's going to be trading in. Upward trend, downward trend. And let's see, you know, my honest belief is marijuana stocks are going higher. And it's not just this particular stock, but majority of stocks in the marijuana industry are going to do something great moving forward. Could be, you know, a month to 2 months from now. Could be 9 months from now. But I think it will happen anywhere in late 2018. To somewhere in middle 2019. So stay tuned. Once again, my name is Zellman. Follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. To take upcoming live trading course with me, visit my site, thetradingteacher.com.